A very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn two poems from 2.4. First is How Does the Little Busy Bee? And the second is a parody of it. Let's see that. How Does the Little Crocodile by Lewis Carroll. These both poems today we are going to learn. How doth the little busy bee? This is the first poem. And how doth the little crocodile? This is the second poem. Now, here in second poem, just now you observe that here. First is the how doth the little busy bee? And second one is how doth the little crocodile? Both poems given to us togetherly. Why? Is it both poems are same? No. Because in second poem they are written a parody. Not given the name how does the little crocodile. These lines are given for you to better understanding. These poems are opposite to each other. How? Let's we see line by line in next. But before that, do you know what is meant by parody? Parody शब्दाचा अर्थ काय होतो? Guess. Let I tell. See here. The questions arise in your mind. What is meant by parody? Parody म्हणजे विडंबन, विरोधाभास. See, a parody is a playful, comic imitations or copy of a writer's style. विडंबन काव्य जे पॅरडीमध्ये कवी काय करतात, एक काव्य एक कविता प्रथम लिहितात आणि अगदी त्याच्या विरुद्ध दुसरी एक कविता लिहितात. त्यालाच विरोधाभास विडंबन म्हणतात. मीन्स अपोजिट ऑफ ओरिजिनल वन. इफ वन इज ऑन गुड सब्जेक्ट, द सेकंड वन इज opposite of it on bad subjects. Let's understand a parody. विडंबन. पॅरडीचा अर्थ अजून समजण्यासाठी आपण एक कबीरचे दोहे म्हणजे कविता कडे पाहूया. काय म्हणतात कबीर? कल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. Means in English, tomorrow's work do today, today's work now. If movement is lost, how will the work be done? हे कडवे आपण बऱ्याच वेळा ऐकले असतील. कोणतेही काम लगेच आत्ता करणं कधीही चांगले. इट इज गुड फॉर आवर सेल्फ, आवर लाईफ. अपोजिट ऑफ इट द सेकंड लाईन्स आर सी. Which are they? Guess. Opposite of it. Do it now. Can you do it? No. Or yes? Yes. आज करे सो कल कर. Opposite of first quotation. अगदी पहिल्या दोन ओळीच्या विरुद्ध ह्या ओळी आहेत. इट इज कॉल्ड पॅरडी. पहिलं काय म्हटलं होतं? कल करो सो आज कर. ह्या कवितेमध्ये काय म्हटले? आज करो सो कल कर, कल करे सो परसो, जल्दी जल्दी क्या पड़ी है, आगे क्या है, अब जीना है बरसो. खूप माझ्याकडे आयुष्य अजून वेळ आहे, मी नंतर करतो म्हटलं तर ते काम होत नाही. सो टुडेज वर्क डू टुमारो, टुमारोज वर्क अ डे, आफ्टर टुमारो वाय सो हरी, हॅव लॉंग टू लिव. It is called parody. This is the best example of parody because these both quotation are opposite in each other. Let's sing the poem. First poem. First stanza. How does the little busy bee improve his shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? In this first stanza, new words are doth. Doth means, do you know? In old days, this word used for does. DOES, does. Shining hour, a day time when the sun is shining, divsa. See here, it is a beautiful picture of honey and flower. Here, it is a honey bee here. What she is doing? And this is the sunflower. This is a beautiful two sunflowers here have. This little busy bee, always busy in sun shining to suck the honey from the flower. Shining hours means daytime. Just now you learned. Shining hour means this is the sun. It is a daytime here. So, and gather honey all the day in resting and enjoying herself. No, she is busy in her work a whole day. This is tells in the first stanza of first poem. Like a clock, she is working whole day. See here a beautiful honey bee and beautiful flower also. A busy bee as busy as honey. It is also called honey. See more example phrases of as white as, milk, as fast as Hussein, and as black as crow. When we use as this construction, when we have to compare two similar things at a time, but it needed both have to same qualities. See first example, as white as a milk, as fast as a bolt, and as black as a crow. Means both have a blackness and crow have same quality, fast and Hussein have same quality, and whiteness and milk have same quality. So compare between the white and milk because both are equal white. Then second comparison is with the fast runner bolt because he is as fast as bolt. And third one is the black. This bird's color is a black, so it is called black crow. Means black crow. Both have the same qualities. So we use the phrases as to compare these things. Next see. And gather honey all the day from every opening flower. Gather, collect, gola karne. There are three types of honeybee you are seeing here. But do you have any differences between their shapes? Yes. Not only differences in their shapes, also in their work. How? See, first one is the queen, Rani Mashi. Second is the female worker bee. She was only doing the work. And drone or male bee, both are not doing anything. See honeybee always busy to serve the honey, and she collect the honey in a nectar. This nectar shape is a hexagon. These shapes, how skillfully she builds her cell, how neat she spread her wax. Skillfully with skill, कुशलतेने spread, set, पसरणे, cell, small compartment, लहान खोली of whose honeybees, neat, well ordered, व्यवस्थित, wax, a yellow substance, main. त्या हेक्झॅगॉन शेपमध्ये शेवटी राहतं त्याला आपण मेन म्हणतो. पूर्वीच्या काळी स्त्रिया कुंकू लावण्यासाठी या मेणाचा वापर करत होते. दिस इज द हेक्झॅगॉन शेप होम ऑफ हनीबी. Hexagon shaped objects which are more examples. Let's see. Hexagon, nut and bolt, football net also of hexagon shapes, and flooring tiles we see in hexagon shapes more than that they have. These hexagon shapes she built at first. Here hexagon shapes. Then she collect all the honey into that cell, means in her home. Labor's hard means work hard. खूप कष्ट करणे. Sweet food here honey मध. See here, it is a beautiful flower. What she is doing? She is sucking the honey from opening flower. See, here are many honey bees are here, and they are working together without fighting. So, by this poem, what do we learn? Be busy in your work.